Oh. Hello everybody, it's me, GameJacker from HackerBot.net, and today we're going to be talking about how to use HackerBot APK, the new version 1.8, the only game hacking software out there for Android that is guaranteed to be virus-free because I made it, and I forgot to put any malware in it. Oopsie! So let's talk about it. How do you download and install HackerBot APK, and how do you use it to hackerino or jackerino your favorite games on Android. So of course you are going to want to download the official version of the app. Now how do you find the official version? Just go to your local browser. That would be my suggestion. Go to your local search engine and just Google HackerBot, and you will be taken to HackerBot.net. Go to HackerBot Download, which will then take you over to our official distributor for the APK, which is cheatware.net. Okay, please do not download the APK from anywhere else, because the version I made is on cheatware.net. If you get it from anywhere else, it might be modified, it might be malware. It's possible to modify APKs, as we know, from game mods, so it's possible to put malware in it. Please only download it from websites that I own, so HackerBot.net or cheatware.net. If you get it from anywhere else, do it. You're doing it at your own risk. Okay, that's all I can say about that. Okay, once you've downloaded it, all you basically need to do is install it. I already downloaded it here. At the moment it's still installed, so I'm just gonna quickly uninstall the app. Now we can simply click the app, install the app. Make sure you have unknown sources enabled. On my phone, when I installed it on my physical phone, it told me, oh, this app is not trusted. Do you want to install it anyways? And you can just simply add the settings at that point. Again, the app is 100% clean. I tested it on all my phones and my emulators, and it works just fine. So this is the app. So how to use HackerBot APK in order to find legitimate cheats and download legitimate cheats for your Android games. How do you use it to hack any Android game? Basically, you simply open the app, and then you're going to want to go to find free cheats. If you don't know how HackerBot works yet, go to download cheats, and you will be taken through the tutorial on how to use HackFinder. Basically, you want to move over to HackFinder, which is a tool that will allow you to scan the interweb for legitimate cheats, not the fake ones you might find on Google. So if you, for example, go to Google and you Google Coin Master Hack, you will find a lot of weird stuff, such as weird PDF files, generators for cheats that can't even exist, such as unlimited money in the video games. If you want to learn more about what cheats are possible and impossible, go to HackerBot.net. Simply Google HackerBot or game hacks, and go to our Learn Cheating section in order to find out what cheats are real and aren't real, under which circumstances. Just go to Fake Hack or check out our guide on client versus server side game jackerining, okay, jackerinoing. So, which is very important to note. So basically that's what HackerBot.net does. We allow you to find legitimate cheats from legitimate providers that have been around for a long time, have provided legitimate mods and hacks, aimbots, bots, whatever, for many years, have had good reviews in that time, no malware, no nothing. They get rid of spam accounts, they get rid of scammers, they get rid of malware ASAP, and that's how they end up in our tool. So basically what you're going to want to do then is enter the name of your game. So for example, PUBG Mobile, which is a shooter, of course, a Battle Royale game. Battle Royale game in the real English. And then you're going to want to enter the version of the game. If you don't know how to look up the version of your game, go to the tutorial right below the tool that will show you how to check out the version of your game. For example, if I want to go check out the version of HackerBot, I can simply go to HackerBot and I see its version 1.8. It may depend on your device whether you can access the app info that way. You might have to go to settings and then apps, and then look at the version that way, which will also probably work. Yes, it's the same thing basically. So that's how you look up the version in Android. So then you simply enter your game, whatever Android game it is, then the version. If you want a mod, just add mod, and you will be able to find legitimate mods from legitimate websites that actually exist for the current version of the game, and you will be able to download them there, install them there. Please follow the installation instructions to a T if you would. So that is how you use HackerBot APK. We just updated to version 18, and I must say it looks even more badass now that it doesn't have the weird background stuff. So if you want to show off your game hackerino skills to your friends, and you want to be the cool kid at school that is definitely able to hack anything and everybody has to be afraid of, that might also be a good thing. Let me know if you want me to put a background, like maybe the hacker code background in green, although I think that looks kind of juvenile and I want to go for the, you know, adult look, whatever. But we can always update that stuff. Anyways, guys, that is how you use HackerBot APK to hack any game. Any game. No root required. No root, no jailbreak, no nothing. Right now, we in theory, we should be able to get this app on the App Store, but Google is like, oh, it's something with hack in the name, so it's probably bad. So basically, it's just an app that makes it easier for you to access HackerBot.net more quickly and easily, and without ads, at least for the first time you go there. But, you know, Google's like, oh, well, it has hack in the name, so it must be very bad, because hack is bad. Yeah, so that's why we're not on the Play Store. And as for iOS, yeah, that's probably not gonna happen. But we will keep working on it. If any of you guys develop apps or whatever for Android and iOS, let us know. Let us know. Although I like to program the apps myself, it's the only way to make sure there is definitely no malware in it. Also, there will be no notifications, no spam, no nothing. It's just sitting there for you to click on and easily find the cheaterinos that you want to get for whatever game you're playing. That's what it does. And nothing else. We're not gonna spam you or collect your data or whatever. Anyways, guys, that is it from me. Please give the video a like. Oh, please give a fellow a like so I can buy a Lamborghini. And yeah, subscribe to the channel if you want more of this content. More guides and tutorials coming soon. And thanks you guys for watching. Download HackerBot APK by simply googling HackerBot or game hacks, and you'll be set up with your own download. That's the wrong one actually. So you gotta go HackerBot. I'm bad at googling, guys. I'm bad at googling. Ooh. HackerBot download. There we go. And you'll be hooked up with your own app. Thanks you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Gamejacker out.